If you're over 50 and you are looking for additional income, a business to start, a business to own, more wealth, this is the place to be. Hi, I'm Jerome in Boise, Idaho, and I am a startup coach, a business coach. And in today's video, we're going to talk about digital products and the kind of income they can produce for you. So I want to talk to you about the first 90 days and the second 90 days, and it has been a remarkable, remarkable ride for us. And I'm going to tell you a lot more. So let's talk about digital products, what they are, how are they distributed around the world, and how do you create income from them? So let's get going. Oh, and by the way, if you like this, if it's helpful in any way, would you please subscribe? Would love to have you as a subscriber. It's a huge help to the channel. Throw a comment in there too. Would love to know what you're thinking, what you're looking for as well. So when you think about digital products, lots of people I talk to go, oh, what is that? Well, when you think of Apple, when you think of Adobe, when you think of Google Docs, when you think of Audible and Kindle and Canva, those are all companies selling digital products by the billions every single month. When you think of the PDFs that you use maybe almost every day, those are digital products. When you think of music, when you think of Kindle books that you have, those are digital products. And they literally are billions and billions, probably tens of billions of dollars a month throughout the world. And having a digital product-based company yourself, or a business yourself, or an income stream is a fantastic way to create more revenue for you personally and for your family. And we're going to dive into that here in a moment. But one more digital product you need to think about, and that is music. You think of music today, it's all digital. It ends up on your speaker, ends up on your phone, ends up on your iPad. That is a digital product. Another category that's literally billions and billions of dollars. And so that's why it's important for you to think about being in this business. And of course, I'm going to share with you our first 90 days in the business, and then also the second 90 days if we have time today. So you have all those things we've talked about, and then there's a whole nother genre, and that is memberships and courses. And of course, we talked about digital books, but the list goes on as far as other products. Think of this right here. You are seeing this, you are enjoying this, you are hopefully learning from this as a digital product. It's literally digitized in the phone as I record this, and then of course it's uploaded to YouTube. And I do a little magic, a little editing in the meantime. This is a digital product. And think about how big YouTube is. It's the second largest search engine in the world. Billions and billions of dollars worth of value, worth of advertising, worth of marketing, and of course the money that they share back. You know, when somebody's monetized on YouTube, YouTube shares that back. I think they give you, it's either 55% or 70%. I'm not there yet, but I'm going to be there. But that's not the point. The point is, it's a tremendous resource for tens of thousands of people around the world to create a wonderful income as a digital product that brings to you something, whether you're looking to build a wall, a stone wall, whether you're looking to start a business, whether you're listening to me. There are billions and billions of videos watched every single day. So how do digital products work? Well, they exist really for one purpose, and that is to deliver solutions. We talked for a moment a little while ago about about, oh man, we'll have to make sure this gets out of here. They exist to deliver solutions. If we talked about the PDF a little while ago, think of the books you read, the music you hear. Those are all in solutions. So I had never considered a digital business until a friend of mine, Jefferson, gave me a call and said, "Hey, I've got something you should take a look at because it seems to be working really, really well." I had never thought about having a digital business. Most of what I do today is coaching, is online coaching. I help people start new businesses. And I thought, you know what? I got to practice what I preach. I am going to go out there and I am going to go find and take a look at this business. And it has been a remarkable ride. So, like most businesses, you have, there's a cost, but it was a very modest cost, and the return on investment was unbelievable. We have made, gosh, in our first 90 days, we made about $15,000, very part time, 1 to 2 hours a day, sharing this business. We actually have 4 products. They cost $100, $300, $600, $900, and when you buy the $900 package, it's called a legacy program. It lets you resell all 4 of those packages. So that's nice to have as a program. And I already knew most of this, but along the way, you take a course in email marketing, in email campaign marketing, and you learn how to use social medias like this, like YouTube, like TikTok, like LinkedIn. So they have a built-in course for that. So once you have this program all put together, then what's nice about it is that you can use organic marketing at no cost to go out there and share with what you have. So here's a key component I want you to write down. One of the very first rules of marketing is you have to make yourself more findable. You've got to make yourself more findable, no matter what kind of business you have. Whether you have a washer dryer appliance business, whether you have an online business, whether you have an online store, no matter what it is you currently have or that you want to have, if you're aspiring to have your own business, and I sure hope you are, because if you are not yet, I want you to write this down as well, that having a business of your own is the only true path to wealth. Why is that? Because if you work for somebody else, you literally are helping them build their business, right? Whether it's a tiny business of 2 or 3 people, or whether it's a huge corporation like Apple, IBM, any business like that, you go to work every single day and you help them build their business. So doesn't it make sense, if you're going to get up early every single day to help somebody else build their business, that you take an hour a day and you build your business? You build an income for you, your family, your world, your future. So those are the kinds of things that I coach and I help people with. I'm going to turn on the light. So who are the buyers? Who are the buyers? The buyers are largely the end users. When you think about using a PDF, a simple PDF, that's an online product. That is a digital product. When you think about some music that you listen to, when you think about a Kindle book that you download for your iPad, for your tablet, that is a digital product. So you are the end users. Now, we have gigantic companies that are software-based companies that provide all kinds of solutions for thousands, tens of thousands, millions of businesses. Those are digital products as well. And they're downloaded and they're used every single day. So the buyers are largely the end users. So that means tailoring whatever product solution you have, that it's going to be there for them to use, for you to use. So how did things go for us? Well, we paid $900 for our program. I actually used a firm to buy it because I was a little bit leery. I didn't want to put out $900 on a credit card. I thought, well, if I could pay 50 or $60 a month, and I was hoping for $2,000 or $3,000 a month to add a little extra income to our lives. And as it turns out, we made about 15 grand in our first 90 days, and we made about 18 grand in our second 90 days. So I'm recording this in the beginning of 2025. Just in the last 4 days, I've made $1,800. And last month in December, made about $3,600. And very part-time, because Lori and I run this farm that we have here. She works full-time. I've got all kinds of other projects going. My brand new book that you may have heard about called it's a business startup planner. Let me find that for you. Shame on me. I should have had it. But here's the book right here. And I really, really recommend you get a copy, because not only will it help you build your business, but it comes with 4 free coaching sessions, 4 group coaching sessions. I'm starting here in January. So it's going to be a huge, huge help if you're starting a business. That's why I wrote it. So I can't wait to have this, in your hands. I'll have a link down below. So as I said, we were hoping to get 2 or 3 grand a month for travel and for little extra things we want to do. And it turned out it was a lot more than that. So in our first 90 days, made approximately $15,000. And then in our second 90 days, the last quarter of 2024, we made a little more than that, about $18,000. So it's been a huge, huge help to us, paying off bills, putting money away for travel. Lori goes down to see her kids and grandkids 3 or 4 times a year, so we have funds for that. And that's what I preach a lot, is that you have to have some kind of income for yourself. Even if you have a 401k, a pension, an IRA, you don't have to necessarily dip into those if you have some kind of remote income. So as I wind up here, I want you to think about this. By the way, please subscribe. I'd love to have you with us on this journey, and especially if you're over 50. Because most people over 50 are thinking about either retiring now or down the road. They're going, hey, how do I have the kind of income I want to have the lifestyle as I move into my retirement years? So that's why I focus on people over 50, because I am too. So next steps on digital product. Down below, I have a link so you can take a look at our business. It is a very serious business because it provides an income for tens of thousands of people. And we've had a huge amount of fun with it. It's part-time. It's just the right thing. So those are the results we've had. $15,000 in our first 90 days. And then, of course, another $18,000 in our second 90 days. I'm going to tell you more about that. So here we go. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope these videos add a lot of value to you, your life. And remember what I always say, and that is having a business of your own is the only true path to wealth. Why is that? Otherwise, you can be let go, you can be downsized, you can be fired, all those kinds of things we've all experienced in our lives. That's why you need something for you, your family, that will give you income for the long run, and that will give you a lot of happiness and provide more value for the world. So thanks for being here. I hope you will subscribe. That'll be a huge help to the channel if you find value here, and I will see you in the next video.